Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn laboratory work number 15. Laboratory work number 15 is the theme installation and the use of application programs in the professional sphere. The purpose of the activity an application program is to perform a specific function directly for the users or in some cases for another application program. Plan seminars. Different types of application. Examples of application programs include word processors, database programs, web browsers, development tools, drawing, paint, and image editing programs, and communication programs. Software types divided two types: application software and system software. System software is a set of programs designed to control and manage the operations of the computer hardware. The software allows application programs to execute properly. There are several different types of system software. You need to recall this information in the exam. Operating system to make the computer hardware conveniently available to the user and also hide the complexity of the computer's operation. Translator software, assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Utility programs that include file management, copy, paste, delete file, searching disk, determining disk cleanup. Application software includes programs that do real work for the user. They are created to perform specified tasks for user. Categories of application software: general purpose software, special purpose software, and baseball software. General purpose software. This software is also called off the shelf. You can buy it at shop or download it online. The software is written for a wide audience and not all the features are used. The software is relatively cheap and usually well tested. General purpose software refers to word processing, presentation, desktop publishing, spreadsheet, database management, graphics communication, computer-aided design, and games. Don't say Microsoft Word, say word processing. Special purpose software. Special purpose application software is a type of software created to execute one specified task. For example, movie editor, sound editor, photo editor, web page design and development. Tax calculating system for accountants. Computer-aided design for graphic designers or architects.
How to install application softwares. Application software is a set for one or more programs designed to carry out operation for a specific application. Application software cannot run on itself but is dependent on system software to execute. Examples of application software may include accounting software, media player, and office suites. Let us study in detail how these software are installed in a laptop. Here we begin with what does an application software means. An application is a program or a group of programs that is designed for the end user. Application software can be divided into two general classes, that is, system software and application software. Application software, also called end user program, include such things as database program and word processor, web brochures and spreadsheets. There are many application software available. An application suite consists of multiple applications bundled together. They usually have related functions, features, and user interfaces and may be able to interact with each other. Enterprise software addresses the need of an entire organization processes and data flow across several departments, often in a large distributed environment. Information worker software let user create and manage information, often for individual projects within a department. Content access software is used primarily to access content without editing, but may include software that allow for content editing. Educational software is related to content access software, but has the content and/or feature adapted for use in by educator or students. Simulation software simulates physical or abstract system for either research, training, or entertainment purpose. Let us study how to install these application software in your laptop. As you know, a software is any type of executable code that can be launched in a system. It is used to facilitate end user with functions. General application software like Microsoft Office productivity suite, for example, can also be modified and tailor-fitted to the needs of a specific organization. This is done with the help of macro command and a bit of programming. Before moving further, let us get the knowledge of things required to install software. One major material is laptop or system on which you need to install a software. A CD or a DVD drive can hold different software programs in it. We can share, exchange these application programs. Internet connection is important in case where application software is to be downloaded through websites where large number of such software programs are available with different operations. The very first and most important step in software installation is to verify that the target system which meets the general hardware requirement of the application. The laptop must possess minimum requirement to install those applications, otherwise you cannot perform this activity. It is to keep in mind that while installing the application, its version should match with the laptop operating system. You need to check whether there is any software updation requirement in laptop before installation. If system require upgradation, perform upgradation of operating system. In next step, you need to check there should not be any other software program is running in the system. You should also turn off antivirus program if running. As said before, use any method to install these software using internet or CD or DVD drive and install from disk. Simply open CD or DVD drive and insert the installer. You keep following these steps are listed. Now launch a setup wizard or open the Explorer and navigate to optical drive. Then click on setup file. When the wizard is running, simply follow the prompts until the installation process is completed. Application software installation from web is done by launching the brochure, application and download setup file to your hard drive. When downloading processes get completed, you need to run the setup program to carry out the setup wizard that will manage the automatic installation of the software. And when wizard is running, simply follow the prompts until the installation process is completed. Once the installation process has been completed and the setup wizard is terminated, now reboot your machine prior to launching the newly installed software. I hope you have come to know the installation procedure of application software. Thank you.